Well, hello everybody. Welcome to my non-live live. I'm just getting going. Still in Vegas. Woo! Hopefully I'm having fun. I'm sure I'm having fun. So I'm coming to you not live, but live. And I wanted to highlight our amazing boutique boards this week because they're on sale. They are 50% off retail pricing. So today I'm going to highlight our Hex board. This is our little 10-inch cutie. 10-inch. It has a lovely bracket already there, so you can hang this right on a wall or put it in a little stand and allow it to be its own centerpiece on a mantle or on a bookshelf. So this is our 10-inch hex board. Normally this is $9.99, but right now you can grab, or it's it's $11.99 and you can grab it for $5.99 right on my online shop. Right on my online shop, and there is my online shop. It is couture.com/CreativeSarah. So super easy, super easy. Now, we do have an 18-inch hex board too. One of those great big ones. You can do a beautiful wreath, a beautiful welcome sign, your last name, all kinds of really cool things that you can do with these hex boards. Okay, these are also washable and reusable. They have our patented boutique surface that's exclusive to our brand. So love these boards. Let's get started. We're gonna get into some winter here today. So we got our little board here, and I grabbed Too Cold to Care. Isn't this the cutest thing? I'm gonna show you how you can utilize this transfer and really fill the whole board. Today we're using our white and our Couture teal, two of my faves. Of course, white, we use that all the time. Now, with our awesome boutique finishes, we really don't need to fuzz so much. So I've got the Too Cold to Care, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. And I am going to fill in here a little bit with the white snowflakes and all the rest of the design. There are little polka dots and snowflakes. But right now, all I really need done are the words in Couture teal. And I am so running out of Couture teal. So I'm going to go ahead and plop this down and use a sort of small, like we'll use our mini transfer or squeegee to kind of get this out here, because these are the only, this is what I'm using the Couture teal for, just the words. I am not using Couture teal on the snowflakes or anything else for that matter. Let me grab some of this extra over here to bring it over and get these. Yeah, when you are really on the bottom of the barrel with your chalk, it's kind of tricky. Okay, so there we go. So I have this all done. I'm gonna pop that over there, and then we're going to use our white to do the rest. But what you're going to see is that I'm actually going to use a smaller one. This is one that I've cut. I am going to do the polka dots. I'm going to do the snowflake. Get all of this in here. And then there is some kind of alarm going off in my house. It's very quiet. I have no idea what it is, but I don't know that you guys can hear. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and peel this, but I'm gonna use it again right away. So I am gonna want, oh, this is so adorable. So it says too cold to care. I'm gonna go ahead and just lay this down on top, actually, I'm gonna spray this real quick with a little water. I'm gonna lay that down and I'm just gonna clean it. So I'm gonna take what's left of this awesome board eraser and I'm just gonna, just gonna clean off the chalk. This is my quick way to clean this when I want to use it again and I don't want to get any of that other chalk all over it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my towel and just kind of dry that and then grab my disinfectant wipe and just wipe the whole front of that so that it's nice and clean. And then we are going to flip it over. See all of this? I'll go ahead and clean that off. Lay this down and just kind of give it a wipe. Make sure that there's no chalk still in there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take our fuzzing cloth, not the fuzzy side. So the fuzzy side has the tag. So we're going to flip it over to the non-fuzzy side. This is microfiber. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay this on the microfiber and I like to fold it over and kind of squeeze it to dry it. What that does is it dries it without having any lint. So there's no lint on this and my transfer is ready to use again. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of lay this down here, just part of it, and get some more snowflakes. So I'm going to get a few more snowflakes. I have some of that teal color on my squeegee, but that's okay. And some of these polka dots. And then I'm going to lift that up. See how I added a little more? And I'm going to do the same thing here. But I think I will go this way. And I'm going to get a little bit more white here. Here we go. There I go. A little bit more over here on these polka dots. And then I will lift this up and hopefully I didn't get that too badly. All right, let's see. Maybe one more snowflake up here, kind of going off the edge. You know how I am with going off the edge. So really easy to do. Oops, I got a little, that's okay. So then if I flip this around, I have a little, I can clean that up because this edge is so, this transfer, not transfer, this surface is super easy to clean because it's our patented boutique finish. So there I've got another one. Let's go over here. Let's do 2 of these. You know, I did make the mistake of not drying my image before moving on with these. So definitely if you're doing this at home, please go ahead and dry your first image before you move on. That way, in case you overlap any of this, it's not gonna matter because it will be dried. So there's that. And we'll come over here and do a couple. And it should be, then we should be pretty good to go. Kind of going off the edge again. There we go. Okay, so we are too cold to care. I'm going to go ahead and clean that I do want to grab my little wipe that I was using earlier and just clean off this right here. And I think I have a couple things here that I did not mean for. See how easy it is to clean that? You could grab a toothpick or a, what else? A Q-tip. Any of those things work really well. So here we have such a sweet little board that you can use oh so easily. If I wanted to, like, if I felt like I needed a little more polka dots or something down here, I could continue working. Now on the back here, you could add some ribbon and pull that up and have a little bit of ribbon coming out here, but I think this is super cute. It will look great actually anywhere. Like, you could totally do this in a kitchen by a hot cocoa bar. Isn't that awesome? That would be really cute. Put some mugs out, or maybe fill it with some marshmallows or something. Very cool. Very cute. Now, too cold to care. I kind of am cold all the time, and I do care, and so anyone who loves winter, this is for you. Too cold to care. Oh my gosh, I'm too cold to care about anything else. I guess that could be what it means. Anyway, so simple, so easy. $4.99 on my online shop. And stay tuned. I'm going to come back tomorrow with some more awesome boutique finishes. You guys have a great rest of your day. I will catch you live again when I'm back from Vegas Friday. Okay, I'll see you Friday, 2 p.m. Eastern time. Bye, guys.